Hello everyone. I hope आप लोग अच्छे हो and you people are practicing problems. Let us for now for the first time deal with a question surrounding diode thing in the circuit. Okay. So let's start with this one. Find the potential difference across D4. Here all the diodes are silicon diode whose resistance in the forward bias is 2 ohm and knee voltage is 0.7 volt. What is this knee voltage? Basically this is your cut-in voltage, threshold voltage that you have learnt of. So what is this basically? जैसे देखो कोई भी डायोड जब बनता है ना, you know that there is one depletion region. Done है? Depletion region meaning region which is devoid of any free charges. If this is P side, this is N side, then on this layer there is negative potential and on this layer there is positive potential, right? And in this region there is no charge. So basically no charge का मतलब free charge नहीं है, means this is insulator sort of thing. Done है? And if you have to make this thing conducting, this whole PN fabric thing conducting, in that case you need to make this region disappear. इसको डिसअपियर करना होगा एंड इसको हम डिसअपियर तब कर सकते हैं वट एवर नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल इज ओवर हियर if we drop certain the same value of positive potential here, and whatever positive potential is here, if we drop same value of negative potential here, then this positive and negative layer will get destroyed and then there won't be any depletion region sort of thing. डन है. सो इसलिए ये फॉरवर्ड बायस कब होगा? व्हेन यू आर कनेक्टिंग पी साइड with the positive terminal of the battery and n side with the negative terminal of the battery. Done it? So if its knee voltage is 0.7 volt, it means if you're supplying 2 volt here, then 0.7 volt ये खा जाएगा in order to let conduction happen, and thereafter current will get established. So 0.7 volt will get eaten up, और यहाँ से आप क्या करोगे? 2 minus 0.7, so that is 1.3 volt is left. And if its resistance in the forward bias is R, then current passing through this diode you will be writing as 1.3 by R, not 2 by R. ठीक है, क्योंकि 0.7 वो खा चुका है in order to let conduction happen. So this basic thing you have to understand in order to solve this question. तो चलो अब इस क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. What will happen here? देखो यहाँ पे ये पॉजिटिव है, ये नेगेटिव है. सो दिस इज बेसिकली डायोड जब तुम ऐसे दिखाते हो ना, ऐसे, so this is basically P side, this is P side, and this is N side. So if P side is connected to the positive terminal, it is forward bias. So this is for D1 is forward bias, and see here, this is positive, this is reverse bias, right? And this is negative. Let us check for this one. This will have positive potential with respect to this point. So again, this is reverse bias, and this will have positive potential with respect to this point. So again, this is forward bias. So forward bias तुम्हारा कौन कौन है? D1 and D3 are forward bias. So forward bias means diode will conduct when voltage equal to knee voltage or cut-in voltage will get dropped across it. ठीक है, जो कि हो सकता है यहाँ पे क्योंकि बैटरी के पास 5 वोल्ट का वोल्टेज है. ठीक है, सो फॉरवर्ड बायस में D1 एंड D3 विल कंडक्ट. इन रिवर्स बायस ये दोनों D4 एंड D2 आर रिवर्स बायस. रिवर्स बायस का मतलब ये होता है कि आपने पोटेंशियल ऐसा ड्रॉप कर दिया कि ये डिप्लीशन रीजन और बढ़ गया है, यानी कि ये और भी अच्छा इंसुलेटर हो गया. It won't conduct, it will offer infinite resistance. So basically it will behave as break in the circuit. It will behave as break in the circuit. So इसको अगर आप redraw करोगे ना तो ये तुम्हें कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा. It will look something like this. Here is one diode, and then here is this resistance, and then here is another diode. ठीक है, ऐसा, and then it is like this. So it will look like this. डन है. अब चलो इस सर्किट में सबसे पहले हम निकाल लेते हैं करंट. दिस इज 5 वोल्ट. सो 0.7 वोल्ट ये खा जाएगा, 0.7 वोल्ट ये खा जाएगा. सो हाउ मच दे आर ईटिंग अप टुगेदर? 1.4 वोल्ट. हाउ मच is left with the battery? So 5 minus 1.4, and you will be saying that 3.6 volt is left. Now what is the R equivalent of this circuit? अगर आप R equivalent निकालो, this is 2 ohm, this is 20 ohm, this is 2 ohm. So all are in series, right? So this is 24 ohm. What will be current in the circuit? तो current आप लिखोगे 3.4 divided by 24. 3.4 है या 6 है? नहीं 6 है ना, ये this is 6, right? So 3.6 divided by 24, so this will become how much? This will become 3.3 times से कर दो इसे, and this is this, so this will be 3 by 20 ampere. Now current is this one. We have to calculate what? Potential difference across D4. अब D4 के across potential difference meaning potential difference between this point and this point. Let us say this is point A and let us say this is point B. So आप A से B तक चलकर KVL लिख लो. You will be getting the answer. So I'm going to write it here. VA minus of 20I. ठीक है. So VA minus 20 into 3 by 20 एंड देन व्हाट यू आर लेफ्ट विथ हियर, इसके अक्रॉस क्या होगा, इसका रेजिस्टेंस क्या है 2 ओम एंड रिमेंबर 0.7 वोल्ट इस पे ऑलरेडी ड्रॉप हुआ है इन ऑर्डर टू लेट कंडक्शन हैपन, सो दैट यू विल बी काउंटिंग. ओके, सो 0.7 माइनस 0.7 सबसे पहले आप करो, ठीक है, एंड देन माइनस आई आर. आई इज हाउ मच, आई इज योर this is 3 by 20 into 2, so this is this, and this equal to VB, because after having traveled through this one you are reaching to B. So A से start होके जो भी potential drop हुआ, that drop when added to A will give us potential at B. So इसलिए मैंने ऐसा लिखा. अब देखो VA minus VB will be equal to how much, this is 3, right? This is 3 and this will plus 0.7 plus this will become 10 and this will become 0.3. So this is equal to 3 plus 1. So this is equal to 4 volt. Done it? So I hope you have understood this question. Actually, this is concept wise very much, I would say, interesting. So, or easy. Done it? You just need to know the basic. You can just go through. I mean, you can just traverse if you know the concepts. So concept is important here. Done it? I hope you have understood it. But if you have any doubt anyway, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.